Hello, today I will teach you how to use NumPy for data science. Let us share my screen, please. Like that, and here. Okay. I will tell you NumPy. NumPy it's very powerful. It helps for the collection of value, hold and different types to change, add, and remove some value in the data. You can use it in data science and mathematical operation. I will give you some example. So far, okay, but when we take, for example, L1 equal, this is the first list, and here is the second list. But if I print, if I divide these two lists, L1 divide by L2, let us run it. But I run the first line, and here second line, I get error, but I can read this error, type error, unsport operand type. But the best thing to do is to redo this operation with by using NumPy. But here now I'm use Anaconda. I'm gonna install before to use NumPy. You need to install NumPy in terminal. That you can open, for example, that it here. You can open it and you write Python 3, install NumPy. The first thing to do, and enter. Here's the first thing to do. Pipe, I forget something. Okay. Pipe 3, install. Like that. But here is the first thing to do for installing for using NumPy. But here I already installed NumPy in my Anaconda. Let's move on. But here, after installing NumPy in Anaconda, I need to import NumPy as NP, like that. And that I will redo this similar operation. That I declare NPL line that and this one like that. When I execute, okay, if I print this one, I can get the same list like L1 here. If I print this one, I can get the same content like L2. But I need to redo the same operation. Here. I need to redo the same operation. But I need to redo the same operation. But here, let's execute, and I execute this one. Okay, but we didn't get the error like here. That you can see the power of NumPy. But if I L1 plus L2, if I add these two lists, for example, execute, but here is the L1, here is L2. L1 have 1, 2, 3, it's a vector with 1, 2, 3 elements. L2 is a vector with 1, 2, 3 elements. When I add these two lists, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. But if I use NumPy, to add these two lists, for example, because this first list is defined with NumPy, it's defined with NumPy, and the second is defined with NumPy. But if I add execute, but what we say that we can NumPy in this case we have 1.2 plus 0.8, 2.5 point 0.9 and 5.9.1.5. It here. But it's here. But I define another list like here, and I can. But this list has the 1, 2, 3 elements. But we have 3 line and 3 column. But if I execute like that, but if I want to print this list, I get the same content like here. But if I want to calculate the shape of this list, but I want to know the number of rows and columns, just to calculate the shape of this list like that, execute, but I get 3 lines and 3 columns. But if I want to calculate the first element of this list, the first element, here is the first element, here is the second element, here is the third element. The index of first element is 0. The index of second element is 1. The index of 3 element is 2. But if I want to calculate to print the first element of this list, I'm gonna use index 0. Let us run it. But I get here, here is the first element, and its index is 0. When I enter 0 in this list, I get just this first element. But if I want, for example, to print, if I want to print here, if I want to print if I want to print the second element, the third element in the second element, but for example, firstly, if I print the second element in this list, here is the second element. If I want to print the first element here, if I want to print the first element here, how to do that? Let us add. I want to print the first element here. Just to do like that, the first element. I want to print 78.9. Just to do that here. I get it. If I want to print, for example, the last element in this vector, the last element is 45.6. How to do that? Just to copy like that. This is the first, second, third. The index of of third element is 2. But I want to print this number in this vector. Okay, just to execute. I get it. This element. Okay, but but instead to do that, I can print this one and I get it almost the same result. Let us execute it. I get it the same result, but we can do like that, and we get the same response. Okay, but here I need to print the first. I need to print the first element of this list, but don't forget, here is the list. We need to print just the first element of this list, but you can we can write like that and execute, and we get the first element. Here is the first element. Yeah, yes, the second element. The first element is 0. That's yes, the second element. Sorry, it's the second element. But if yes, the second. If I want to print the first element, just to do that. If I want to print the second element, okay, just to do that. Okay, but here I need to print the mean of this list, just to enter and to do that. But I can execute and I get it, the mean of all this list. But I can print here is the mean. I can print the minimum of this list, just to execute, and here it get this. Here is a minimum 1.0. When I get in this list, the minimum here is the first element. Okay, but I can also print the standard deviation. How to do that? If I want to print the standard deviation of this list, like just to by std equal okay, here is the standard deviation for all this value. Is the standard deviation. But I hope so you return a small thing regarding this lesson. The next course we are going to continue with pandas. See you later.